Hello, awesome students. Welcome to Wpstand.com tutorials.
In this specific video, you're going to learn how to install plugins onto your WordPress site. In order to get started, you're going to need the following. You're going to need to have the plugin, and to install it, there are two ways to go about doing this. You can either install it automatically through the WordPress dashboard, or you can install it manually through FTP software. I'm going to show you both ways in case you need to know. Right now I'm at the WordPress dashboard, so if you're not here, go ahead and log in. Next, go under Plugins and click on Add New. In this area, you can actually search for plugins if you don't already have a plugin. So depending on what you need, you can either select the popular tags down here or simply click on the search bar here and do a search for a specific plugin that you want. Let's say, for example, that I want a plugin that will allow me to upload images or banner ads and so forth and put them onto my sidebar. So what you need to do is simply enter the keyword into here and click on Search Plugins. Now, the beauty of this is that you can do a search on a keyword and you can see many different plugins that are free to install. Now, the best way to do this is simply enter the keyword, look at the ratings, because if something's not good about a specific plugin, people are going to say something about it. So if something is not rated, I would avoid installing it onto your website. Now, in this case, I'm going to install the image banner widget. So to install it, click on Install Now, click OK, and of course it's going to ask you for your host name, your FTP username, and FTP password. Go ahead and enter that information and click on Proceed. After that, click on Activate Plugin, and there we go. So we have successfully activated that specific plugin. Now, for some of you, you're going to have a plugin in hand and you're going to want to know how to install that plugin. And to do that, if you click on Add New, and let's say, for example, that I go to Google. If I go to Google and search for WordPress plugins, I find this page. I'm going to go ahead and download the WP Super Cache plugin so I can use this as an example. So what you need to do is simply locate that file, and whatever plugin that you're using, you're going to need to unzip this zip file onto your computer. And basically what you need to do is simply upload this folder through FTP software to get this to work. Now, you can also install it through the dashboard. And to do that, if you go over here and click on Upload, all you have to do is choose File and locate this .zip file and click on Install Now. Go through the same process that I showed you earlier with entering your FTP username and password and go through that avenue. Now, if you install it through FTP software, unzip this folder. So we got this folder here. Go to the FTP program. In this example, we're using FileZilla. You need to connect to your FTP site. You're going to locate your WordPress files, locate the WP-content folder, the plugins folder after that, and simply drag and drop the folder here. So simply get this folder here, drag and drop it over to here, And once it's finally uploaded all the files, you can go back to your WordPress dashboard, click on Installed Plugins, and that's the WP Super Cache. Click on Activate, and there we go. Now, for some plugins, it will ask you to do a few more steps. For the majority of the plugins, when you click on Activate, it'll actually activate the plugin. But for some plugins, will require you to do a few more steps in order to activate it. And that's it. So that's how to install a plugin through the dashboard automatically or through FTP software.